Hello, fun and learning student of class 10th. Continuing with our discussion of chapter 2 water resource of geography, let's take this next topic, that is water scarcity. So we know that water is renewable resources, but at the same time it's a very fixed quantity resource. So what is actually water scarcity? The shortages of water as compared to its demand is known as water scarcity. Means demand is very high but supply is limited. So this situation is known as water scarcity. Shortages of water as compared to its demand is known as water scarcity. Now there are some factors which are responsible for the water scarcity, like growing population. This is the main reason of water scarcity. That growing population is one of the basic factors which is responsible for scarcity of water. Most of our cities are facing that problem due to overpopulation. A large population means more water, not only for domestic use but also to produce more goods. This is the number one reason. Next reason you can focus, that is your commercialization of agriculture. That after the success of green revolution, our farmers are producing commercial crops, and these commercial crops need more and more water than other inputs of the agriculture. So this has also caused water scarcity. Next factor you can say that variation in seasonal and annual precipitation. We know that in India the main source of water is the precipitation due to monsoon, but the arrival and departure of the monsoon is not very certain in India. So because of this uncertainty, it has caused the scarcity of water. Next important reason you can say that industrialization and urbanization. That is, after independence, India have witnessed massive industrialization and urbanization program. So large industries needs more water for their production. That has also caused the water scarcity. Some other important factors you can say that overutilization and misuse of water, that we have overutilized and misused water. Because of that it has caused the water scarcity. Pollution is another reason, that due to that water has now become not fit for drinking. So these important reasons have caused the water scarcity in India. Next topic is your water conservation and management. So the over-exploitation and mismanagement of our water resource has very adversely affected the availability of fresh water in our country, and it has also caused ecological crisis which is affecting our day-to-day lifestyle. Now the main problem is how to conserve. This is the main problem. What is the solution? That how to conserve and manage our water resources so that the shortage of water can be reduced. So there are some points on which by you are focusing, you can conserve and manage water at your individual level. Like what can we say? We can take shorter showers. This is the point number one. Point two, we can turn off the water while brushing our teeth or shaving. Number three, we can rinse dishes in full sink or pan of water. We can wash full loads of clothes in washing machine. We can check all faucet pipes and toilets for leaks. This can we can do at home. We can use drip irrigation system. We can adjust sprinkles so that they don't water the sidewalk or a street. So we can use bucket instead of a hose to wash our car. So these are the efforts at individual level. Now coming back to the at the micro level, we have seen in India there are some, in ancient India there are some techniques which have been adopted to preserve water. So on page number 185 there are 5 points is given: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is like one in Bhopal artificial lake was built. Hauj Khas was built in Delhi, and dance lakes and irrigation system were built during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya. This has caused they have preserved water. So this is your homework. Study it. In next video we will discuss the other topic. Thank you, student.